Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another best website. You can claim your free cryptocurrency from that website. That website pay you Bitcoin every 50 minutes. First of all, claim copy your Bitcoin wallet address, come in this website, enter your Bitcoin wallet address in here, and after that come down and just click claim. First of all, solve this captcha. It's too easy. Okay, just solve it and then solve this captcha. At the train, just click the train available and just click verify and just click claim now. And you can see this website pay me 1 Satoshi instantly. To faucet pay every 15 minutes, this will be pay you randomly amount, not 1 Satoshi. And I think a lot of times pay you 1 Satoshi, but all the time pay you randomly amount. Okay, thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description. I share with you the withdrawal proof of this website. Now you can see this website send me my Satoshi instantly to faucet pay. Thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description.